Hi, I'm Brandon Kofford. I am a prosthodontist, and I am the founder of Smart on X, and I am a restorative faculty at Clinicians Implant Academy. So Clinicians Implant Academy is really built around giving you all of the knowledge, didactic knowledge, and the hands-on experience for full arch fix, from extraction of teeth, bone reduction, implant placement, multi-unit abutment selection, and even the immediate load provisionalization. I owe all of my success to the great mentors that I received in my prosthodontics residency in the Air Force, who gave selflessly of their time and their knowledge to help educate me. And so just contributing back to the dental profession and to my colleagues is my way of expressing gratitude to great mentors that I had in my Air Force residency. I love dentistry, I especially love prosthodontics, and my passion has always been full arch rehabilitation. I just get really excited to share what I've learned all along the way with my peers and show them how I've simplified my approach to really give myself the most precious gift, which is more time. And I can use that however I want to, more time to treat more patients or more time to spend with my family. But just simplifying my protocols has given me more time to do what I want. And so I like to share that information with my peers. Yeah, I actually really like the Clinicians Implant Academy as a starting point for anybody interested in getting into full arch fixed. Everybody's going to make mistakes, and you don't want your mistakes to be made on actual patients. So coming to a hands-on workshop where you actually get to do the work, understand concepts by making mistakes so that you can manage the cases on your actual patients a lot better, a lot more seamlessly, and avoid those mistakes that you learned in the hands-on workshop. So Clinicians Implant Academy is a great starting point for anybody who's interested in full arch fixed. But I'd also say it's a great place for anybody who's even advanced in full arch fixed, just to come and rub shoulders with some very, very experienced clinicians who have simplified the full arch workflow. Regardless of where you're at in your implant journey, if you want to level up, get trained at the CIA.